Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. Having said that, Kyle and Austin are good friends. Austin really wants to travel somewhere, but he has never done it. Hey Austin, have you ever traveled anywhere interesting? Oh yeah, I've been to a lot of amazing places. How about you? I haven't, but I'd like to. I'm thinking about traveling for a few months. I'd love to learn about new cultures. If that's your goal, traveling is definitely one of the best ways. Having said that, it can also be pretty expensive and time consuming. Oh, yeah, I've noticed. Prices are insane. At the same time, if it's something you want to do, you have to make it happen. Quiz time. Why do we use the expression having said that? To express new information? To speak generally? To have something new? To show a contrast. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D, to show a contrast. Teaching moment. Kyle asked Austin if he had traveled anywhere interesting and then said he'd like to learn about new cultures. Austin said it's a great idea, but it's expensive. Austin's ideas are contrasts. Examples. I believe that education is the key to success. Having said that, success is not just about education, but also about hard work and perseverance. Technology has made our lives easier. Having said that, it has also contributed to a decrease in face-to-face communication and human interaction. Vocabulary extras. I've been to location. I was there at some point in my life. Time consuming. It takes a lot of time. Prices are insane. Prices are very high. Perseverance. The determination to continue. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.